Welcome to week 1. This is where recovery truly begins. You've made it here, and that already means something is changing. Because burnout recovery doesn't start with doing more. It starts with stopping, with giving yourself the permission to slow down, to breathe, and to simply arrive. This week is about creating safety in your breath, in your body, and in your mind. Because when you feel safe, the healing begins naturally. Your nervous system has been running on survival mode for too long, always on alert, always ready to respond. And that is why rest hasn't felt really like rest. And that is why the fatigue doesn't go away just by sleeping. We begin here with grounding and breathing because it tells your body you can relax now, you're safe. The goal isn't to move or to breathe or to do your practices perfectly or to push yourself. It is really about reconnecting with yourself, to let your breath and your awareness become your medicine. When your breath slows, your heartbeat steadies, your mind clears, and your energy begins to rebuild. And that is the foundation we are creating this week. In this module, you will find several short practices, a main session for breath and grounding, a few minutes micro reset for busy days, and deeply restorative yoga nidra you can do just before sleep. You don't need to do all of them at once. Just choose one. Practice it consistently, every day or every other day, depending on what your energy level is. Because recovery can feel like a marathon, but it's not a race. It's a journey. And every step, every breath, every tiny pause matters. When you practice regularly, even just 50 minutes can speed up your recovery more than you think. But please, please remember, this is not another task on your to-do list. This is a moment for you, a moment to reset, to soften, to give yourself the love and the care that you've been giving everybody else. And now it's time for you. Every week of this program offers a new set of practices, and you can explore them one or all of them, depending on how you feel. Stay with each module for at least 1 week, preferably 2, before you move on to the next module. Give your body the time to integrate the changes. And before you move to the next module, also take a few minutes to fill in your weekly check-in form. It's a simple reflection that helps you see your own progress. And please remember, you can always reach out to me directly if you need guidance, encouragement, or support. You are not alone in this journey. You are already doing enough. You are already enough. And the fact that you are here, showing up, listening, breathing, that's courage. You are amazing, just the way you are. Never forget that. It is always the most loving, caring, and wonderful people that experience burnout. Believe me, I know. And please remember that when you look into the mirror. Love yourself. You are the most important person in the world. And don't let anybody else tell you anything else. Take care of yourself. You got this.